Good morning children, welcome to our session. You are all very happy to come to the sessions, right? As we are discussing about the festivals, isn't it children? Teacher told you to draw a beautiful diya and bring to the class. How many of you did it? Yes, come on, show me your pictures, put it to the screen. Wow, such a beautiful drawings. Very good children, you are all good at drawing, isn't it? Very good. Keep it with you safely when you come back to school. We'll all show it to others also. Okay children? Now today shall we start discussing about the other religious festivals? Yesterday what did we discuss? We discussed about Diwali and we discussed about Ramzan. Yes children, can anybody tell me what is the festival of lights? Ishan, can you tell me? Yes, very good. Diwali is the festival of lights. Very good. Now, can anybody tell me which is the festival celebrated after 1 month of fasting? Come on. Yes, it's Ramzan. Very good children. You remembered the two religious festivals which teacher taught you yesterday. Today we will learn about few more things. Before that, we will try to recollect what all we have learnt about religious festivals. Okay children? Yes children, we were discussing about celebrating festivals, right? And we were talking about the religious festivals, isn't it children? So yesterday as part of our lesson, we were talking about different places of worship. Temple, mosque, church, gurdwara, isn't it children? Yes, temple is the place of worship for Hindus. Mosque is the place of worship for Muslims. Church is the place of worship for Christians. Gurudwara is the place of worship for Sikhs. Very good children. You remembered it very well. Next, shall we move on? Yes. We also discussed about the holy books yesterday, right? What is the holy book of Hindus? Bhagavad Gita. Good. And what is the holy book of Muslims? The Quran. What is the holy book of Christians? The Bible. What is the holy book of Sikh? The Guru Granth Sahib. Children, see, remember all these pictures. Okay, because after the lesson you will have to do the worksheets now. There you will have questions on these also. Okay children, shall we move on to the next picture? Yes, yesterday what did we learn? We learnt about Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the most important festivals celebrated throughout the country. Yes children, and we have also learnt about Ramzan. It is the festival celebrated after 1 month of fasting, and a special dish called Sevai is prepared on Ramzan. You know children, what do we call a special sweet? Delicacy. You can see that word in the textbook. When you see that, you recollect, yes, teacher told delicacy is nothing but a special sweet. Okay children, shall we move on? Yes, today as part of our lesson, we are going to learn about Guru Parab. Guru Parab. Come on, repeat with me. Yes, Guru Parab. Yes children, Guru Parab is the festival celebrated by Sikhs. Teacher already told you, and you know, he is the founder of the Sikh religion. Their first Guru. Founder is nothing but their first Guru. Okay, and his name is Guru Nanak Dev. Come on, tell with me everybody. Guru Nanak Dev. Who was Guru Nanak Dev? He was the first Sikh Guru. Okay children, their birthday, they celebrate his birthday as the Guru Parab festival. Okay children, shall we move on and see what they will do on Guru Parab? Yes, the Sikhs go to the Gurudwara. Can you see the picture here? This is the picture of Gurudwara. Okay, they go there, they read their holy book, and they also serve food to the devotees. Can you see all the people? Yes children, how the dressing style of Sikhs will be? You have seen people like this, right? Dressing like this. Yes, they are all Sikhs. So Guru Parab is the festival celebrated by the Sikhs in remembrance of their first Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev. Understood children? Yes. Shall we move on? Yes. What is this? Merry Christmas! We all like Christmas very much, right? Why do you like Christmas, children? Yes, because Santa will come and give the gifts. No, children, do you know why Christmas is celebrated? Shall I tell you? Children, see this. Christmas is celebrated by the Christians. And why do they celebrate Christmas? Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is their Guru. Like I told about Guru Nanak Dev for Sikhs, right? The same way Jesus Christ is the religious leader for Christians. He was born on 25th of December. For that reason, 25th of December, Christians celebrate Christmas. Okay, children? On that day, children will be very happy because see, Santa will come and give gifts to good children, right? See these children, how they are happy. And you know, on Christmas, the Christians go to the church and pray God. You know, they all do all the nice decorations like this, the Christmas tree. You also might have seen a star hanging outside the houses of people, right? When we go out during Christmas time, we all see that, right? Houses are all nicely decorated with Christmas stars and Christmas trees. Yes, children? Yes. And he is our famous Santa. Okay, he comes on an open horse. Yes. Isn't it, children? But he is not giving gifts to us, right? Why? Because he gives gifts to the very, very, very good children. Okay, so you will all be like a good children. Very good. Now, shall we move on, children? Yes. What is this? What are the people doing in this picture? They are all playing with colors. Isn't it, children? When do we play with colors? Can anybody tell me? Yes, Holi. We all like Holi, right? Holi is the festival of colors. On that day, people play with colors. People sing, dance. And you know one special sweet called Gujia. Gujia is made on the day of Holi. You know, children, Gujia will be very tasty. People enjoy nice sweets and enjoy with colors also on the day of Holi. We like colors, right? We all spraying colors on our friends also. Yes, children, isn't it? Yes. So, Holi is also a religious festival. It is celebrated by Hindus. Okay, children. Now, as part of our lesson, we have learned few religious festivals, right? So, Holi is celebrated by Hindus. And Christmas is celebrated by Christians. And Guru Parab is celebrated by the Sikhs. And Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. Ramzan is celebrated by Muslims. So children, all these religious festivals are celebrated by a particular religion of people. That is why we call them as religious festivals. You understood, children? Now shall we go back to our board? Yes, children. Shall we continue here? Yes. As part of our lesson celebrating festivals, we have discussed about many festivals, right? Isn't it, children? Now, I'll ask few questions and you will answer me. Okay? Yes? Okay. Nidhi, can you tell me when do people wear new clothes, eat different dishes? When do people do that? Festivals. Very good. Now, Pranav, can you tell me why do we celebrate festivals? Fun. Very good. Very good, children. You remember the importance of festivals. Now, can you tell me what is national festival? Can you tell any one national festival? Yes, Independence Day. Very good. And Independence Day is celebrated by one religion people or all the Indians? Like in our class, we have Hindus, Muslims, different ways of praying God we have, and there are different children who go to temples, mosque, church, isn't it? But we all come to the classroom, we all are there in same school, and when it is Independence Day, we will all go and celebrate in our school ground, isn't it, children? Yes. So national festivals are celebrated by all the people irrespective of religions. Okay, children? All the Indians celebrate the national festivals. Very good. So you understood about national festivals also. Very good, children. Now, what are the national festivals we discussed about? Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. In our lesson, we have discussed many new words relating to national festivals. So children, please read well, okay? All the words, whatever are there in the textbook, you see, if you try and you are unable to understand, then you don't forget to ask the teacher. Okay children? And we also learnt about the religious festivals, right? Teacher will ask questions about religious festivals also. Now, can anybody tell me the places of worship? Yes, Kashvi, can you tell me? Temple, church, mosque, Gurudwara. Very good, Kashvi. Now, Florence, can you tell me the holy books? Yes? Good. Bhagavad Gita, Bible, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib. Very good. You remember all the holy books. Very good. Now, who is going to tell me what is the festival of lights? Yes, you? Diwali. Very good. And what is the festival of colors? Holi. Very good children. You remembered about all the religious festivals also. So, now that we are ending the lesson, what you will do? Textbook reading. Okay? It is very important, as teacher is telling now always. You have to read the textbook. Today also after the class, you read the textbook and try to identify the difficult words. Okay children? You will all do that, right? Okay. Have fun. Read well.